Gallagher Group, of course, is an advanced manufacturer. We don't have a large number of manufacturing companies of your size and scale in New Zealand. How important is freer trade internationally for a global company like the Gallagher Group?
Oh, very important. You know, tariffs are only part of the story. And I guess being in technical products, the duties are not serious, except in a few countries like, I guess, South America, India, and the countries that really need our particularly electric fencing product or the animal management product. They're the ones that are not duty-free. But in the high-tech countries, yes, it's not the tariff so much, it's the technical barriers to trade, the regulations, etc. Good regulations to make the product better, you know, we're all for. Some of them to make it difficult to trade, and that's been the basis of some of them. Yeah, that makes it difficult. Well, I think it's wonderful, you know, but basically wonderful for my customer. You know, we only pay 2 to 4% duty in going into Europe, so directly it's not there. But indirectly, if we've got a prosperous customer, like our New Zealand farmer, but then we're going to get the European farmer. Because what we're selling are the tools for low-cost animal management, low-cost grassland farming.
So what you're saying is that by the provision of the sorts of technologies that we have in here in New Zealand, that Gallagher, of course, has been so much at the forefront of producing, you're going to be able to help British and European farmers do better.
We can help them make money without subsidies. And sadly, you know, in continental Europe, you know, the subsidies are so inground that it's going to be difficult to get them to move. We're one of the very few countries that doesn't have a free trade agreement with Europe. But we do pretty well in Europe, particularly our Dutch partners. We're about 80% in the Dutch market. We'd be certainly a market leader in Ireland, and we'd be probably number 2 in most of the others. A few were number 1. So we've been there for quite a long time.
Well, Sir William, as always, you're an inspiration. Thank you very much for speaking with us.